I'm not liking anything that I'm seeing in here. I feel like this bathroom is not big enough. This thing behind me feels like at least 2 other people. I'm completely overwhelmed by it.
He thinks it dominates the room and not in a good way.
This feels so over the top. It's just an ugly choice.
Yeah, it's surprising. But you know what? We took a risk and we thought that that was worthwhile taking.
You may be getting the feeling Neil didn't like the room, and you'd be right.
It just doesn't feel refined.
Shona agreed.
It's very weak styling. Let's put a candle, a toothbrush holder and a pump. And it's just shove, 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 bang.
It's not high-end. I also find it quite dated.
You need to up your game.
You know what it is? Too many heroes.
Way too many heroes.
Too many heroes. The brass on its own is a
Yeah.
hero. The tiles on its own is a hero. That on its own is a hero.
Absolutely. That's a really good way of putting it, Shana.
Like you had tried too hard and packed too many things in to try and impress.
We didn't really have any other heroes other than the tapware, so we thought it all blended in quite well.
Darren, however, was definitely a bigger fan of your bathroom today. The tile choice for the floor and wall are terrific.
I like how the floor sort of continues up the wall. That works really nicely.
Very beautiful choice in his opinion.
But I'm starting to get a little concerned with this sort of a really heritage feel here with the cornicing and this. And now I'm kind of thinking, is this why they chose this apartment? Because the top floor is too modern for their plans.
I should say so.
He thinks buyers will be looking for more contemporary interiors.
It's an Art Deco building. You know, you got to pay some kind of homage to it.
Yeah.
Neil's not sure who you're planning to sell your apartment to. The garden feature feels very young. The wall sconces and tiles feel like they'll appeal to an older buyer.
You've got to know what your style is and who your potential buyer is. Even though this is a beautifully executed bathroom for an apartment that will ultimately sell for in excess of $2 million,
Yeah.
I think it looks cheaper than it should.
If you try too hard to please everyone, you run the risk of pleasing nobody.
I'm surprised because Hayden and Sara did a really great room last week. They won. You know, this is the apartment that they chose. I was expecting great things today, and I'm disappointed.
I think Hayden and Sara, for the rest of the competition, are going to be looking upstairs going, did we make the right choice?
That's it. Tough feedback first up.
Yeah, we definitely weren't expecting that. We worked really hard.
We can still do modern luxe deco. We just got to get rid of cornices.